That's your baby brother. Do you like him?
Yeah.
Can we say Tyler?
Say hi, Tyler.
Can you say Tyler? That's Mommy's baby. That's your little brother. Someone to play cards with you, dude. Do you like him? Do you want to bring him home? You want to take him home and show me your room? You want to touch him? You want to see him? You don't want to touch him?
Well, he's trying to get clean. Hands, will ya?
Let's wash your hands.
You can wash them when they're there.
Here we go. Rub both your hands out. Rub both your hands together.
How far is Ashley out?
Like a half an hour. Mommy don't have a belly no more. Show me your belly. Come on.
Still get scared.
Is that your baby? What do you think, son? Look at Mommy. Tell Mommy. Can you say Tyler?
Can you say good job, Mommy?
We don't know what to
I
say.
just in shock right now.
He's like, really?
You want to bring him home?
Yeah.
Luke? You want to bring him home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet. Look, that's your little brother.
Hey, Aaron.
Want to touch his foot? Touch his foot. Say hi, baby brother.